Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I have a new subscription box from Your Creative Studio. It's the April kit, and I opened it and didn't look because I was like because it's really jam-packed. So here's a little card. Oh, typewriter. Write your own story. So I'm going to take it out of here. Oh, this is cool. That's cool. Oh, there's different fonts. Like those two. That's cool. I like that font though. Yeah. That's cool. It's a lot of neat fonts. Okay. These are pretty. Ew. Victorian. I think I'm going to put this down just so you can see it. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, you get a few of each, it looks like. Nice. It looks like you get two of each. Oh, that's pretty. Banner designs. Put all the ladies together. And the baskets. Or floral arrangements. Oops, I meant to put this down. That's cute. Cool. Little birdhouse. Genuine product. Sample text. Oh. Sample text here. Retro label your message. So I would maybe punch a circle and put it on there. Because that's kind of, I think they didn't change the text. Oh, there, it's pretty. It's really pretty. That's nice. Really nice bouquets. I could have used that in my Nancy Drew book. The Secret of the Old Clock. Cute. The ladies are really pretty. And the flowers. Hand-drawn label with a vintage look. Yeah, so that's not too usable. Pretty. Some lilies. Where are they? I don't know what those are. There's only one peony. Hot dog quality. Fresh, tasty sizzle. Fresh, pasty sizzle. Okie doke. Nice. Oh, there it is. So there's the label, or the, what you call it. I'm going to leave these separated. Because I'm going to put all my, well, no, I got to use them in here. Alright, never mind. These are nice, except for just a couple you can't use. Then Time flies when you're having fun. Oh, well, these are cool. Wonder if you can write on them. Well, here you get 3. Or 2. Oh, there's 2 there. Yeah, there's 2. So 3 of each. These are cool. I would think you can write with a permanent marker on here. That's cool. Nice. You can even cut them out. Cut out the corners and stuff. And then that one. Those are nice. I like that you get a lot of them too. Oh, a little typewriter. Cute. It's like a card holder. Business card holder. That's cute. That would have been cute when I was freelancing. Still be cute at my computer. It's cute. Washi. Oh, they're typewriters. Nice. Well, this must be her design. Oh, it is. Yep, because she numbers them and labels it. Those are nice. We've got one like that. Old. And I got a newer model of the Royal. That was my mommy's. It's right over here, in fact. That's cool. Some good labels. These are always really nice to have. And now they're perforated, which is good. Those are pretty. Ooh, a stamp. Nice. Well, that's nice. And then you could write on that, stamp something on it, like words. Cool. Use your alphabets to write something out. That is cool. Then, keep silent. But it's silence. I don't think these are hers. She curates some of it and makes up some of it. Like, I think these are probably maybe hers. I don't know. For sure that, and this I think is. Sometimes the stickers. Wow, more labels. My book. Your books are calling you. Go to the library. You could do like a Monopoly game. How to stop time. Reading record. A reading room. Just read. Books to read. Keep silence. Should be silent. I don't think you can use that. No end. Yeah, these do not translate well. 'Cause that's should be keep silent. But the rest are good for young people. Alrighty. Just read. So those are fun. Nice color. But I think I'll just get rid of those. Okay, then I like all these little bags too. Save. I'll do this. That's a cool stamp. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's neat. Cool. Looks like it got a little loose on the shipping. But it's sticky. That's cool. Then, I love these boxes. They're so much fun. Well, that's cool. What's that? Cool. Under the sea potions. Oh. Is it a stamp? No. Oh, cool. That's a cool box. 1942 report. Oh, cool. Well, you're all different. Oh, that's cool. We're all magpies, aren't we? That's cool. I'm way out. A mystical land where 99% of all human productivity, motivation, and achievement is stored. Disneyland. Cool. Colors a ton. Oh, I like that. Well, I think I'm gonna... Oh, and then it's the same. Oh, that's cool. In this color. That's cool. What's this? What? It's written backwards. Le Cafe. But I can still use that for something. Sheep shearing. That's backwards too. Hotel. That's cool. That's cute. Yeah, these are fun. Ooh. Tongue of talk. Maybe tongue of talk. A little misspelled. Toung. Close, but that's still cute. Then, finally the paper. She's got nice paper. And these are her decals, her rub-ons. Pretty pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then her paper. Oh, this is nice. I don't think it's sticker though. She usually does sticker. That's really pretty. Yeah, these are nice. That might be sticker. Yeah, that's sticker paper. So is this one. That's a vellum. Really pretty. And then this is sticker. Very nice. I love it. I will be back making some goodies with it. Thanks so much for watching. There's a code down below and link to go. You can either buy these singly or get a subscription of, I think, 3 or 4 months. I think there's a choice. But please check it out. I love them. She always is pretty thoughtful in what she puts in, so it's nice. Thank you so much. Bye.